It's too light or too ugly.
Huh?
Point it at my sister.
No, I'm fine.
All right, I take my fingers off.
Yeah, but you have something in your hand.
Skin?
You can't fool me. You have a wireless clicker somewhere. I know you.
What
I know you now. I didn't know you before, but I know you now.
What you know?
You are, Burke.
Yeah.
Are you recording? You are. You're doing something you wouldn't be doing. You wouldn't be. There is something about you. I know what you're doing. Get it off of there. You're recording. That thing must record too.
I don't
Everything
know.
you touch records. And you left it alone for a reason. I see the pointer right on my nose. Where's the stop button? I can't get my thing on it. Is that it?
Oh God!
Where it hurts. That's it. That's it.